Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the definite integral guys, and according to the given function we have to find out the differentiation of this function, and we are having the four options and we have to check which one is correct guys, right? So the function is fx is equal to 0 times 2x t sin t dt guys. So by seeing this form guys, we know that the one rule we can apply here. According which rule guys? You can say that the Leibniz rule, right? So according to Leibniz rule, you can say that the function, you can find out the differentiation of any integration guys, d by dx, if you are having the any integral term and it is the in this form ax, right, and here is the bx. Okay, so we have to find out the differentiation of the integration. Okay, are you getting my points guys? So you can apply this formula. First of all, what is the upper limit? So first of all, you have to multiply with the function upper limit after putting the value. Okay, and the differentiation of the upper limit guys. So you can write here the dbx by dx minus, you can write the value putting after fx differentiation of ax guys, right? Ax is a lower limit, you can say that. Then the differentiation of ax with respect to dx. Are you getting my points? So now this is in, you can compare the given question in this form with this form guys. So you can take here the b is equal to what? B is equal to after comparing you can say that b is equal to x and a is equal to 0, and what is the fx? T sin t guys. So now I am going to solve this question. What is the fx equal to 0 times 2x t sin t dt. So now we are going to find out the differentiation. So f dash x equal to, we can write here f dash x equal to, so this is the Leibniz rule, you can apply here, right? So this is the very important rule guys, so you must remember this rule. And fx equal to, you can write here f dash x is equal to the upper limit guys, the upper limit is x sin x after putting the value. Okay, after putting the x, so it will become the x sin x, and the differentiation of upper limit, so differentiation of upper limit equal to dx by dx minus, you can write here the 0, after putting the 0 it will become 0 guys, 0 into d0 dx, right? So you can say that it will become 0 and it will cancel out, so you can say that the f dash x equal to x sin x. So it will be the correct answer guys. So thank you.